Who doesn't like malpuas? And what if I tell you that you can eat this during fasting as well? So this festive season, I'm going to show you the recipe for Rajgira Malpuas. So first, I'm going to start with making the batter, for which I have 1 cup of Rajgira flour or Amaranth flour. Add in 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. I have here 1.5 cup of milk, but add it in slowly. This is the consistency of the batter that I need. Next, add in 100 grams of grated paneer. Give this a mix. You can even use singada atta or water chestnut flour for this batter. The consistency of the batter should be like a pancake. And now this is ready. Let's keep it aside to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. While that's happening, let's quickly make the sugar syrup. I have 1 cup of sugar here. Add it into the pan. Also add in 1 cup of water. Turn on the flame. Keep stirring till the sugar dissolves. The sugar has dissolved. Let this boil for around 5 to 6 minutes till you get a sticky syrup. After 5 to 6 minutes, you can start testing the sugar syrup. Touch it. Once you start seeing a slightly broken thread, that means the sugar syrup is ready. Turn off the flame. Let's keep this sugar syrup aside. Let's start making the malpuas. The batter is also well rested, and now in a pan I'm going to heat up some ghee. Into this batter, I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of fruit salt. Give it a whisk. Scoop in some batter and start making the malpuas. Let's check the other side. Once it's browned, let's remove it and dip it in the warm sugar syrup. In this way, let's make the remaining malpuas. After soaking the malpuas for 2 minutes, remove it from the sugar syrup. Let's get this out and dip it in the sugar syrup. Rajgira Malpuas are ready. Serve these with some rabdi. Do try this during this special occasion. Comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.